Now this is how you can disable the fitness app on the iPhone. Let me guide you through it, and if it's your first time on this channel, definitely become part of the community so you do not miss the upcoming videos and more guides like this. So there are more levels to disabling the fitness app. The first level is disabling notifications. So when you open up settings and find notifications from the list of apps below, you should most definitely find the Apple Fitness app where you can turn off the notifications altogether and essentially stop it from being active. Then, of course, if you never want to see the app again, you can find it on the home screen as such and hold down on it. And when you click on the delete, you can see that it tells you that uninstall is not allowed because we have to unpair the Apple Watch to the iPhone, because without the watch you would most definitely have the ability to disable it and uninstall it, right? So you could technically do that, but without with the Apple Watch you don't have such option. However, we have some more things which we can do about it. For example, if you open up the screen time section, then proceed to the content and privacy restrictions, you can find the allowed apps and features. And you can turn off features which you would normally not have the ability to disable, like the email or Safari. And also we have the fitness and health at the bottom, right? So these are the places where you can turn off the app and it will make it disappear. So that's another approach to this. And one more thing, if you check out the privacy and security section, and in here you see all of the sensors and health related stuff, you can also manage it in this section right here. And for example, part of the motion and fitness, you can turn off the fitness tracking like this. So you can see that that data will simply not be used to estimate like the calories and a step count or anything like that. So you can turn it off completely in here as a general feature. So I hope I could help. Let me know what you think about that below in the comments. Thanks a lot, and I hope to see you later in the next videos too.